I suppose we'll just, yeah, I talked about this. We bought a portable building to make the tiny house. Actually had a garage door on this end, and we removed the garage door and built the wall there and closed it in. Added a window on this end. It's 12 by 24. It came with the windows on the either side. We're in the middle of sheetrocking it. We've got the insulation in, all the electrical and the plumbing installed. Bathroom on that end. You're looking at the bathroom doorway. The lavatory, the sink will be out here in the room, and then the toilet and the shower. It's all being built handicap accessible. So this will be a bifold door right here, so it doesn't take up a lot of room, but you still get privacy. You got your shower and your toilet in there. We're using these LED lights. They're like can lights. We're putting a ceiling fan in the middle and then lots of lights. And we're going to have a tankless hot water heater right here on the wall. That covers most of it. Thanks for watching Dad's Knives. I hope you'll subscribe and comment on this.